I'm really not sure why I walked away that time, because I didn't go get anything. There we go. So today we're going to be working on this SHURflo water pump. My dad has had this pump for a very long time, and it finally broke. But no worries, it just broke right here where the plastic's at. So we put a little duct tape around it, but it didn't want to work quite as well, and it would spew water everywhere. Still somewhat usable, but got a new plastic piece. We're going to install that, and we're going to be testing it out. So I got the part from a company in New York. Don't know if you can see that, probably not, but they shipped it out. They were really nice, had a really good price on it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to unplug these little wires here. Resistance is futile. You will come out. Is that the saying? Golly. There we go. That thing's probably never come out of there. Sorry guys, don't need instructions. Should do it this way, right? Yep. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Or not. Should. Whoa! When you do stuff like this, you want to try and keep bolts together, or screws or whatever, so you don't put them in the wrong spot. These are different sizes, so I'm going to lay them out kind of in the order, in the shape that I take them out in. There we go. Good girl. Good girl. Alright, simple enough. You can see where that spring goes. Right in there like that. And you can see that's nice and springy. Pressure switch goes back on. Plug in these connectors. There we go, you heard that snap. Snaps into place to hold the wire to keep it from getting pulled. The last thing we gotta do is take care of these fittings. This one in particular, it has threads on the outside, but there's threads also on the inside, and this is the water hose connection side of it. But we have to put this thread tape around the plastic here. You need to wind in the direction of the thread, so as you thread it on, it won't undo. It'll be going the right direction. So you only need about 2 or 3 turns of this stuff. Kind of push on them like that. Make sure everything's ready. And you thread them on here. Now, you do not want to do this too tightly, because that's what happened to that other one. I just know it started leaking one day, but just don't twist it too tight, because you will break this stuff. Really don't even need this. Make sure those are good. Alright. That's ready for use. As long as I put these wires back in the same place, which I'm pretty sure I did. And all you gotta do is hook this up to a battery, and she'll start pumping. This piece hooks to the inlet side of the water pump, and it's not quite as long as the barrel, and this is so that if there's any debris or sediment or anything of that nature present in the tank, it won't have as much of a chance to get sucked up by the pump. One thing that's really nice about this is there's no extra step required to prime this pump. You simply make sure that there is access to water on the inlet side, of course, and then plug it in, and it simply primes itself and just starts pumping. Then of course you just attach your water hose and you're ready to go. That's not right. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. This was a pretty easy repair, although I did get this pressure switch on there a little bit weird before. I didn't show this on video, but it was leaking out the side just a little bit. I had to take it back off and reseat it, but that seemed to take care of it. Yeah, these are really, really nice pumps, and I'm really glad I got it fixed finally, and now we can use the pressure washer without having any issues. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave it a big thumbs up. It'd be much appreciated. And as always, hopefully you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.